Hello, welcome to this week's episode. Today we're gonna do a bunch of mods. On the front end we have this rally tower from ProtoTypeTeam. This is for the new dash. The ABS button is gonna stay. USB socket, but we're gonna make some close-ups when it's on. As you can see, 4 lights and a big beam. The plugs go on to the original system. Just 2 on the frame, so everything goes off. This one goes on, and it should be mounted something like this. So the upper lights will be a bit higher, but I think it's pretty awesome.
Oké, ja, dat is wel dik.
These are the new risers. They 1 centimeter higher, but this bar has the YZ band, so it's a little more straight and it's a bit thicker till the end, as you can see. I don't know if I'm going to keep the middle bar because of the hand guards, but we will see it when it's on the bike. New top plate, new risers. I also have the GYTR throttle tube. This, how they call it in Dutch, it's quick gas, so you don't have to pull all the way down, but it will be something like this. We're gonna check out how much it is. And I also got from 7 Solid. This is the Joy Map controller. It's for the tab. You have 3 buttons over here and a joystick. Goes up every direction. And this one is gonna be placed between the new grips and the controllers on the new handlebar. So that is what you're gonna see in this episode.
So we are this deep into the rally tower. The whole front is missing. And this is what you get if you get the headlight unit off, which is in there. What are we doing now, Rick?
We are dismounting the triple, no, not the triple clamp, the thingies, the risers.
Those things.
Yeah, I'm just loosening them up a bit, and then I'm gonna take off the handlebar, and then we're gonna really loosen it.
Because we are going to mount the new handlebar and the new risers on the T7.
Het is zo hier. Deze zaten niet. This one weren't that tight. Beam. This is 41 mil, and this,
the new one,
the quick throttle, is 44, 43, 44. So it's not much, but if I hold them together, you can see it is more on top. So you have to move it less to get the same result than with the other one.
What we did is we removed the pin because the new handlebar will not get holes in it, and even without the pins it's very tight. So if you consider changing your handlebars, just remove the pins.
Yeah, it's not necessary, and otherwise put some grip tape underneath.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Dry. So we are 4 hours in changing the steer, quick throttle, and end up like this. So time to give it a call tomorrow, new day.
Yeah.
Done. We are losing things, that kind of stuff. But it looks very mean.
Bye.
In this very short video you can see how we drilled the holes in the plate of the tablet holder. And this is the end result, where you can see where we mount the tablet on the bike. It's on top of the tower. It can have multiple mounting points on here and on here. So this is the best option for him when he stands on the bike. And the Hugerock Tablet will be mounted like this. And the standing position something like this.
Well, hello. This is it. This is how it looks. I'm very pleased with the result. If you can see, the whole bike is now moving. It's one solid piece. The tab is mounted very sturdy. The dashboard is mounted a bit more in. The overall weight is the same, but it looks so much cleaner from this side. And I also like this piece a lot. The screen will be over it. We didn't mount it yet because in the video now you can really see how it looks. The screen will go from here to here. We'll post it probably in the next video because I'm going to install the controller as well, but that will be in a different video. For now I'm very pleased with the result. I'm going to take some shots like this, screen on, and then I'm going to put some new decals on the bike. And then it will probably be finished for a while because everything is done now. So thanks for watching. See you next time.